PPC-GPT governance Sankey explains the runtime flow, pure ERP PPC data rightward arrow inform rightward arrow PPC-GPT rightward arrow KPI TSI OSI RMSE rightward arrow analyzer 1.0 rightward arrow policy governance rightward arrow DSS rightward arrow assure audit evidence. This is a governed manufacturing intelligence system, not a static dashboard. PPC-GPT governance and predictive transformer. Today, PPC-GPT demonstrated how raw ERP PPC operational data can be transformed into explainable, policy-driven, audit-ready runtime intelligence under the IGA 2026. Unlike traditional AI systems that only generate predictions, PPC-GPT combines KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI rightward arrow RMSE runtime calculations, Analyzer 1.0 validation, governance thresholds, and assure audit traceability to create controlled enterprise decision intelligence. From a management perspective, NeuroGov Plus helps organizations improve production stability, reduce operational uncertainty, strengthen forecast reliability, and enhance board-level governance visibility. The cockpit enables management teams to identify production bottlenecks, machine stress, inventory risks, dispatch delays, operational variance, and governance actions before execution, transforming manufacturing intelligence from reporting into governed enterprise decision support. #NeuroGov Plus #PPGPT #Governed AI #Manufacturing AI #IGA 2026 #Analyzer 1 #Enterprise AI Board Level AI #Predictive Governance #Runtime Governance #Advanced AI #ERP #Dr. Pradeep K. Suri Dr. Pradeep K. Suri